to delete Telegram account. So if you want to delete Telegram account, then you can't delete your account in your application. In order to delete your account, what you need to do is just go with your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Telegram delete account. Once you've searched, now you just need to simply go with my.telegram.org, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter your mobile number with the country code. Once you tap on next, you just need to simply enter the confirmation code which you've received on your mobile number or on your Telegram. So here is your code. You can simply copy and paste the code which you have right here, or you can simply enter that manually. Once you enter the code, now you just need to simply go with remember me and then go with sign in. Once you sign into your account, now you need to go with delete account, and here you need to enter a reason why you're leaving and tap on delete my account, which is on the bottom, and your account will be deleted. So in this way, you'll be able to delete your Telegram account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.